Okay, now let's go and try to do the whole process of copying all of those files, creating a directory inside of the graphical user interface here, and do that. Let's do that in the command prompt. I won't be explaining too much for now. However, you would see that this is the process on how you can actually do that. I'm just going to go to where I have, let me just check out all of the content of this directory. This is a directory, as you can see here, the name of a directory that is named IE user, and I would want to go to this directory. That's why I use the directory list command here, or the dir command, and I'm going to go there using the change directory command. So, and if we try to do again dir, just to show you, we now have the test directory 1 and the backup test directory 1. And what I want to do is to create backup 2 test dir 1.2. So I'm just going to call it that way, but you can name that any name you want. And we should just go to test directory, and if we do a directory here, you would see that there's the notepad test 1, notepad test 2, and let's say I would want to copy all of these files into that backup directory that we've just created. So I will just go and try to copy copy all. This is just a wildcard that will be targeting all of the txt files in the test directory 1 that we have here. That is the current directory from where we are, and we would want to copy all of it to the users, IE user, okay, documents. You can use the tab key to autocomplete, and then we know that we created a backup to test directory 1.2, right? And I just used the tab key for autocomplete. And if we try to run this command, let's see what will happen. You would see notepad test1.txt, notepad test2.txt were copied to this directory. And if we go to that directory, let me just go, let's first go here and check it out. We now have notepad test1.txt and notepad test2.txt files that has been transferred to our backup test directory 1.2. I just named that way just to differentiate it from backup test directory 1 here. Okay, so I hope that you saw the difference on how to go and create and copy files using the command line and the graphical user interface that we have here through this exercise.